It is Friday, August 18th. Last night I told you about Joji Locatelli's pattern sale. She is marking all of her patterns, her single patterns, at 25% off until August 30th. That's really super. I think the code is Joji Fall KAL 2023, but check me on that. So last night I told you about a sweater and I told you about the cozy alpaca. Tonight I'm going to show you this one. Actually, Allison bought this today and I was like, oh, I'm talking about that tonight. This is the Elton. We did this as a knit along last year, I think, or maybe the year before. It is a fingering and a mohair, and it is this transferred to straight down. This is knit out. It's a drop shoulder. It's not a difficult pattern. There's 3 buttons in the front, and it is beautiful. So I've got a new yarn to show you, and right this minute I have 3 mohairs in that will work for it. It's called the Elton. It's by Joji Locatelli, so you can get your pattern at 25% off, which is awesome. It goes all the way from an extra small to a 4XL. So nobody is left out. I'm showing you some samples that 2 balls of each of these, the fingering and the mohair, would cover would cover extra small, small, and medium, which takes you up to a bust circumference of 54. So that's with ease, I think. So anyway, so let me just show you this. First of all, I haven't told you about this yarn. I am missing some colors, which is why I haven't told you about it. But when this came up, I was like, all right, time to talk. This yarn is from Mirasol, and it is called Inka. Look at the sheen. What? The sheen is unbelievable. And it has this core in the center. It is so gorgeous. It is 64% viscose, 36% baby alpaca. It is gorgeous. 442 yards. It is a fingering. This is exquisite. It is $25 a ball, but that's a lot of yarn, and look at that color. So with this color, we have this gold, the Barocco Ariel, which is $17.50 a piece. Check that out. I'm sorry, it looks just like her sample. So gorgeous. 2 of these and probably 2 of these, I think, right? All right, and then this color. This color is called Topaz. What? See that sheen? It is just, it's almost iridescent. So that goes fabulously with Rowan Kid Silk Haze. Check that out. What? Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And last but not least, this green. Now it comes in other colors, but I'm showing you what I have mohair to go with it. This green, look at that. What? So beautiful. Gorgeous. Inka, Mirasol. And look at it with this green from Ariel. Fantastic. I'm telling you, break that pattern back out. If you've already knit it, plan on knitting it again. It's a goodie. It's a winner. All right. The week is almost over. We've got a good day tomorrow on Saturday. I think the weather's going to be spectacular. So everybody should be out and about, and that is a good thing. So I will definitely see you tomorrow. I hope you have a lovely night. Go online, get your pattern from Joji on Ravelry, 25% off. So that's a good deal because it's an $8 pattern. So that's good. Awesome. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.